So I'm gonna put my purple 14 Pro Max right in there. Okay. Inside. All right, we're headed out, but do it for the gram. I literally scratched my iPhone doing crash detection for y'all from not having a case, but failed to save item. What? All right. Hi guys, we're here with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I got the new purple color, maybe one way to differentiate Apple's new product line every year. But let's get straight to the unboxing, as we're pretty sure. Gonna flip this over here, and I'm actually gonna they're eco-friendly items. Peel that open. I love all the eco-friendly environmental initiatives, because it's gonna make this unboxing really simple. Please don't drop the phone as I do this. Boom, done. So it looks like a little cool cutout for the camera. Let's take this out. Little paper lift up, just like that. Doing my most darnest not to drop the phone. I'm gonna place it right there. You can get some good little zoom in cutouts like that. Alrighty, and you can see this nice, rich, dark purple color. I haven't seen purple in a while. Purple rain, something cool. Mace Windu's lightsaber. Look in here, you can still see all the buttons are the same. They're calling this like the 13S because it's an iterative hardware design language update. But let's go ahead and peel the screen off, shall we? Oh, nice little sound there. And then I have the new dynamic island notifications. iOS 16 just launched 2 days ago, so we'll be able to see all the new dynamic updates that they have and utilizing this notification bar. The USB-C to Lightning cord, still Lightning this year, and then no power brick in the box. I'm not sure how they get away with that. That is news to me. All right, so here is the intro, and then I'll probably speed through the setup in a bit. But by now, you know to make sure you back up your everything, scan the QR code, and set up your iPhone. And then, dynamic island right there. So as we set that up, I wanted to pay attention to the design language this time. It looks just like the 13 Pro Maxes or anything with the cool cameras. As everyone's notifying, this is a 48 megapixel camera with the ability to shoot into RAW. But if you imagine you're storing RAW 48 megapixel images on this phone, you're gonna fill up your hardware and fill up your iCloud really fast. So be careful with that. I don't think I'll need to shoot on that. Clearly there's no more notch, as we talked about before. The new color purple. I miss the elegance of some prior iPhone designs. And I know Apple is prioritizing professionals and features like that, but over here, we have my old iPhone XS Max over here, updated to iOS 16. But just look at the elegance and the difference of what the design language of iPhones used to be. It's curved, it's glass back, but it's just something so simple about it and smooth to touch in your hand. I know people love the iPhone 4's design with the metal band around it, but there's something missing in terms of weight, thinness, features. It seems that they've determined that this kind of heavy set, strong brick size is the way to go to include more features and prioritize the triple camera array setup and work for professionals. I get it. I kind of miss it because it's still, at the end of it, it's thick, it's stronger, it's more durable, but you just can't help but look at other design languages like the Surface Duo we have here. Sure, it doesn't sell as well, but there's something so beautiful about using devices that kind of challenge the design aesthetic. And like this, like you can have in full tablet feature mode, and just look at the symmetry, the simplicity of it. And I know that, Johnny Ive leaving and everything like that has really impacted Apple's design language, but I'm hoping for a future where they can integrate kind of the elegance of all their competitors' designs, like the Folds coming out, or even their older XS Maxes, and coming back to this. Anyways, my 2 cents. So we have a little surprise. I have an RC car over here. It's called the Legendary Legend. And this baby can go up to, I think, 30 miles per hour, maybe 25 miles per hour. I'm gonna find a way to strap this onto this car, drive it really fast, possibly into like some metal or into a tree or something, make this phone not crack and survive. So I have a couple things to do, and see if the auto crash detection, which is the priority for Apple's safety event, can get triggered, and hopefully not call the police. I need to cancel that notification in time, all right? So we're gonna unbox this, set this up, get this RC car speeding around, strap this on, and let's see how the cool features are. All right, so we're doing some testing. Here's my old 10s Max that you saw earlier. I have this little speedometer app, so I'm gonna record that. Let's see how fast this goes. We'll see. And let me try and like get the iPhone off and crash it. All right, let's do a quick crash. Oh my goodness. I can't even crash it. All right, that was a very light crash. All right, let's go to the street. Let's see. Oh. Okay, Richard, I can't do any All right, let's see how fast this goes. I don't think that'll register as crash detection. This car might not be fast enough. All right, let's see how fast we got. I was only going 13 miles. So it looks like I might have to go actually faster than that. Let's see the trip history. Okay. So it looks like my top speed was 13.4 miles per hour. All right, 14 Pro Max, just opened it. I might be an idiot just for testing the crash feature right away. One thing, call after severe crash. These babies run up to like 15 miles per hour, not much. So I don't know if it'll work. I have the speedometer app over here. So I'm gonna put my purple 14 Pro Max right in there. Okay, get this rolling. There she goes, everyone. Okay, it literally flew off the thing and it still didn't detect a crash. So, pretty durable. Just got it. Richard, do you think I nicked it anywhere? I might have like nicked it maybe very small in the corner there. Still seems fine, everyone. And then, nothing. I can't get it to crash. So, yeah, we're just gonna bash it up. Nothing's gonna happen. That said, I'm glad it's durable. Like I said, it's more industrial than before. The design is not as sleek. Hey, but if it accepts my bashing and crashing, especially with Stitch, I'll show some footage of that, then what can you say? 14 Pro Max, here we are iterating. No. All right, something dynamic islands, really cool notification stuff. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone. All right, we're headed out, but do it for the gram. I literally scratched my iPhone doing crash detection for y'all from not having a case, but failed to save item. What? All right.